The ontology is Foundry's kitchen, where raw data becomes usable business meals. This highly applied course reveals how the ontology links your golden data sets into a central network that powers everything else in Foundry. It's not taught in isolation. You'll see exactly how pipelines supply it and Workshop consumes it through practical case studies that connect all three platforms. This is not a beginner course, as it requires you to be familiar with Workshop and Pipeline Builder already. You'll start with hands-on experiments getting AIP agent widgets working in Workshop by tweaking the ontology's structure and watching what flows through. Discover how to traverse object sets and leverage object views, ready-made Workshop widgets stored directly in your ontology. We'll cover the best widgets for exposing ontology data, and then macro benefits like metadata, descriptions, links, and that single central view of your organisation's data structure, a massive departure from siloed decades past. Master failing loudly instead of silently, ensuring that data issues surface immediately. This is perfect for analysts bridging data prep and consumption, engineers building connected systems, and anyone ready to see how ontology makes Foundry solutions actually work together. Enroll now and let's transform your data network into a cohesive business brain.